on the midpoint of a line that joins 2 points. So we have if M described by this coordinate is the midpoint of the line joining L described by this coordinate and N described by this coordinate, then find the values of P and Q. It's very simple. So what do we do? These are the 2 points we are looking at, and these are their coordinates. And then there is a line segment that joins point L to point M. And then the middle of that line segment is M, described by these coordinates. If you recall what we talked about in the midpoint of a line joining 2 points, we said for the x coordinate of the midpoint, we take the average of the s coordinates of the 2 points. And then for the y coordinate of the midpoint, we take the average of the y coordinates of the 2 points. So if that is done, that means 4, which is the s coordinate of the midpoint, is the same as the average of the 2 s coordinate, which is p plus q all over 2. So give me my first equation. And then p, which is the y coordinate of the midpoint, is the average of the 2 y coordinate, which is minus 2 plus p all over 2. This will give me equation 2. Then I can solve the 2 equations and get my p and my q. I think I should start from equation 2 because equation 2 has only one unknown or one variable, which is p. So I can solve this straight away. But this has 2 variables, p and q. So I will start from equation 2. From equation 2, to solve for p, I can cross multiply. So when I cross multiply, 2 will multiply p. I have 2p is equal to, of course, the denominator here is 1. So 1 will multiply this. I have minus 2 plus p. Whenever 1 multiplies anything, it remains the same because 1 is the multiplicative identity, the identity of multiplication. So we can now solve. So we collect the like terms. 2p plus p comes over an equal sign. It changes to minus. So when it crosses over, it changes to minus p equal to minus 2. What is 2p minus p? That is p. It's like having 2 orange minus 1 orange. That will give you 1 orange. So 2p minus p is p, and p is equal to minus 2. I have gotten the value of p. To get q from equation 1, I will replace p with minus 2. Then I will get the value of q. So that becomes 4 is equal to p becomes minus 2 because that's what we calculated p as. So p becomes minus 2, then plus q, then all over 2. I have only one variable there, so I can solve by cross multiplication. Of course, this is 4 over 1. So 2 times 4 is 8, equal to 1 multiplies anything, remains the same, 2 minus 2 plus q. So to get the value of q, minus 2 crosses equal sign, it changes to plus. So 8 plus 2 is equal to q. Therefore, 10 is equal to q, which means that q is equal to 10. Hence, our p is minus 2, and our q is 10. We've gotten the values of p and q. As easy as that. Bye.